I hope by undertaking research focusing in sustainable development, we will be able to create change as part of a continuous improvement process.
Recognize the work of healthcare and life science scientists and organizations who contribute to innovative healthcare solutions.
I hope participants will continue their efforts in showcasing their hard work, find a product, and meet potential partners.
We are growing too fast. We walk fast. We eat fast. Though we have 24 hours in a day, somehow we share the same feelings. Time is passing so fast. We don't have enough time for ourselves until busy is the new norm in our life. But if you can turn back the clock, what good shall you do today? Let's put life back. We need the past to enlighten the present and the future. We need education. Through education, it reconnects you with the purpose of life. Reconnect with family and people. Reconnect with nature and habitat. Reconnect with unity and harmony. Reconnect with spirituality and peace.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق.
Reconnect with good health and well-being. To create balance, UITM nurtures Buddhi in education and embraced it as values in life. A concept of social relationships. A philosophy and culture of politeness, reasoning and wisdom among Malaysians. UITM upholds Buddhi for sustainable community. Education reconnects you with the universe. Reconnect your world with UITM.
In the quest, the search for knowledge and insights, diving deep for ideas to gain prominence, be they the scientists, teachers, accountants, entrepreneurs, engineers, artists, managers, lifesavers, mothers and fathers. Let us be a trusted companion, your preferred high-flying institution, as we achieve excellence holistically. Because we believe in nurturing our future talents, we endure sowing the seeds for a sustainable tomorrow. We harness your capabilities. We take steps and stances to broaden our knowledge and experience. We want to be the champion to uphold mankind's universal values, to encourage a deeper understanding of sustainability. We dare to be different. We instill values. We cherish the diversity, where science and arts complement each other. We go boldly. Set the scene. Steal the show. Think out of the box and set our sights. Walk far and wide. We dedicate ourselves to all our passion, to nurture the courage in all of us. We lead.
UCSI University has come a long way since 1986 as a Praxis University. Today, UCSI is ranked at the top 300 university in the world, rising steadily every year, reaching the rank of 284 in the year 2023. In the same year, UCSI became the only university in the world to receive the QS Recognition for Improvement Award, having improved by the most ranks in average. UCSI programs are ranked among the world's best in music and performing arts, hospitality, engineering, business management, art and design, social sciences, and medicine. As a Praxis University, our students are exposed to a wide learning experience. Thousands of corporate partners offer internship and work exposure to UCSI every year, enabling our students to apply what they learned in the classrooms to be practiced at the workplace. They give the students opportunities to work and learn. This resulted in our graduates attaining 100% employability score in all our programs. One of the hallmarks of being a UCSI student is the research attachment opportunity at world-leading universities at the undergraduate level, enabling them to publicize remarkable papers at the world stage. opportunity to study abroad, whether for a year or two, or for a short term of a few months, prepare our students the global outlook that the world needs today. Preparing as leaders for tomorrow. The students are exposed to real leaders today, from academics and economics, to social concern and topics on sustainability. Our students are set for the challenges today, and the future. UCSI offers the largest fields of study in a Malaysian private university, whether in championing healthcare and medicine and pharmacy, impacting research and discoveries in applied sciences, applying skills and intelligence in engineering, influencing communication and social sciences, igniting the passion and creativity in arts and design, setting the global pace in hospitality and tourism, transforming architecture and built environment, celebrating with music and performance, excelling in the changing demand of the business world, or digitizing the world in computing and innovation. UCSI continues to serve with scholarships, producing tens of thousands of practitioners and young leaders from more than 110 nationalities. Beside its current main campus in Kuala Lumpur, and other campuses in Kuching and Spring Hill, UCSI has earmarked its Kuala Lumpur campus to expand as an edu city with 35,000 student capacity with various state-of-the-art facilities. Our students are the real stars of UCSI. They achieve and excel in the national and international stage. Driven with the passion to contribute, they prove their quality, participating in various events and attaining many successes. UCSI enables them to make the mark for themselves, build their own reputation, and create a brand for themselves to face the exciting world ahead of them. Every year, our medical students advance their undergraduate medical research at the Harvard Medical School. Others made the engineering impact at the Imperial College London, at Queensland, Australia, and Tsinghua, China. While some set their pharmaceutical legacy at University of Chicago and British Columbia. These are some of our students who have benefited from our Star Trek to the world's best universities. The world is changing, and they are at the forefront. The needs are evolving, we continuously confront. UCSI, a Praxis University.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our knowledge sharing session. We hope you'll enjoy the next webinar. Thank you for joining us.
Good day, good folks. It's a lovely day with me, Novara Akila, broadcasting live from College Jenis at Pintar Negara, University Kebangsaan Malaysia. Within 5 minutes, we will serve you the most recent information. As one person put it, your news is our business. In Malaysia, waste management and greenhouse gas emissions are major concerns. Malaysia's CO2 emissions in 2020 were 256 million tons, according to BP's Statistical Review of World Energy 2021. Energy, transportation and garbage were the primary source of the emissions. Malaysia is looking for the better way to combat bad waste management and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. With our innovation, we are sure that it can solve many of these problems. And now, we have with us Hazika Natra with a special report from our second branch of the studio in Terengganu. Good morning, Hazika.
Thank you and good morning, Ms. Farah. Now let's proceed to our next report. Our machine is an innovation we created as an effort for easier and effective use of maintaining sustainability in our homes and community by conversion of biogas to electricity by using food waste. Like renewable energy such as fossil fuels, they will run out sooner or later. Also, since we are in a pandemic of COVID-19, we all stay at home and we always wanted to eat. As a result, our country have a lot of food waste, hence in turn contributing to our ideas. That is my report from the Terengganu branch. Next, we will move to the objective part of the news. I will pass it to Anifatina in Sepang.
Thank you, Ms. Azika, and good morning, everyone. Our main objective for this innovation are to create a sustainable ecosystem in order to create cleaner, greener, and more sustainable cities by maintaining a constant focus on the environment's long-term sustainability. by delivering a wide variety of benefits ranging from artificial intelligence, AI, waste sorting to biogas and energy conversion. So far, that's all from me. Now let us explain more about our idea. Amelia Adamsyah has the report.
First of all, thank you, Miss Auni. Now, I will give you a description of our idea. So, you must be wondering how our idea works, what our innovation looks like, and many more. Here are the explanations. First, our innovation will work like this. Image sensors are used to do image processing, and machine learning models and deep learning are used to determine the kind and grade of garbage in artificial intelligence waste sorting. Biogas is created by sorting and processing waste. The waste is then subjected to anaerobic digestion. Following the production of methane biogas, it will be integrated with a heat and power system. The conversion to electricity will thereafter take place. Properties can use on-site biogas power plants to meet their own energy and heat demands, or biogas generators can generate electricity for future grid offtake. Biogas power generators can be placed inside buildings or delivered in a container as ready-to-use biogas power plant solutions. Well, I think that's all for me. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me. Viewers, as you might keep wondering more, I'll pass the spotlight to Christina Aisyah. I'm Amelia Adamsyah, signing off.
Thank you, Miss Amelia, for the information. Now, I will keep the topic on the same track as Miss Amelia just now. As for our innovations design, we created a model as shown in the video with what we think it will look like. The first section is where the waste will be deposited as well as where it will be sorted. The waste that could undergo anaerobic digestion is converted to biogas in the second section, followed by the biogas to energy conversion in the third section, and finally, the energy is given to homes or used to generate their own energy in the fourth section. For our products, which will be electricity and fertilizers, the benefits are distributed in a loop. The end product, electricity, is largely focused on the replacement of fossil fuels. However, energy will also be utilized to generate innovation. Unlike traditional ways, this invention does not rely on electrical outsources and will be able to deliver a constant supply of electricity. Raw fertilizer is created as a byproduct of the waste to biogas conversion process, and it may be utilized by farmers to fertilize their crops. That concludes my report. This has been a few minutes with us from College Genius at Pintar Broadcast Station. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time for more minutes of exciting news. Remember, your news is our business.
Let's conclude our presentation for our innovation. Thanks College Genius at Pintar and our supervisors Miss Ing and Miss Sakina for helping us.
Thanks to our parents, friends and school for supporting us throughout the project.
Thank you for watching this video until the end.
That is all from us. Thank you very much.
Have you ever thought of an application that could enhance the communication between the deaf community and the hearing community? We, a team from College Genius at Pintar Negara, have developed just the exact application. Bahasa Isyarat Translator, BIT, is an application that allows users to translate Bahasa Isyarat Malaysia into text and vice versa. We originally came up with this idea to bridge the communication gap with essential workers in our school who are deaf. We sternly believe that being able to converse in Bahasa Isyarat Malaysia BIM is just one step closer to an inclusive community.
There have been several approaches to enhance communication between the deaf community and hearing people, like referring to the internet or books, writing down the words, and also taking classes. There are still a few drawbacks though, because 1. People are busy and don't have the time or money to engage in learning BIM. 2. Books are heavy and older people have difficulty reading small text. Same goes with the internet. The older generation are less familiar with the internet, and in areas that have no internet service, translations through the web can't be done. 3. Written communication is not only tedious, but it is also challenging for those who have lower education levels. It is also more difficult for those who have learning or reading disabilities. Last but not least, 4. Malaysia is a multicultural country, and there are a multitude of languages used for communication.
From Bahasa Isyarat Malaysia, into text. On the front page of the app, this feature can be accessed by tapping the Translate or Terjemahan button. The person will stand in front of the camera and do the motions of the signed message. The main mechanism for this part is motion tracking to track the movement of the targeted user in front of the camera. Then, a designated AI will analyze the database and directly translate the motions. The second part of the main focus is text to BIM. The application user will be able to access the BIM word dictionary to manually translate words to BIM. The BIM word dictionary allows users to search through the BIM word database to find the translation of the text into BIM. The target text translation into BIM will be in the form of video animation by augmented reality. The initial plan of the interface will appear like this. After the loading screen, users will be directed straight to the home page. Now, if the users get directed to the dictionary part, the top part will be the augmented reality function and the below part is the dictionary. In the dictionary folders, the signed words will also be included in animation.
We choose minimalistic as our features across the application. This is done in order to help reduce confusion when navigating the application. The key to minimalism is to have intuitive navigation and a simplified user interface without any friction and obstacles that could stand in the way of seamless browsing. One of the biggest problems with any script font is that it is difficult to read on smaller devices like mobile phones. This is due to the fact that the flourishes between letters can be quite elaborate, and in order to fit them into a smaller screen size, the letters can lose the message. That is why we choose bold and visible fonts for the design. There would be possibility that some words could not be translated into BIM translation. Therefore, we add submission function feature where BIM users are free to submit videos of them signing the new BIM translations that were not available on the application before. This will later be then proof-signed to ensure that the translation is correct and accurate. As we have mentioned in our problem statement, some people might cannot understand the language the BIM translations are in, which is Malay. Thus, we plan to have a Google Translate extension to enhance the usage of the translation for other languages.
And with that, thank you. We hope you have a very nice day.
Millions of people across the world live with disabling hearing and vision loss. The vast majority live in low and middle income countries where they often do not have access to appropriate hearing and vision care services. Without suitable interventions, hearing and vision loss pose a significant challenge in the lives of those affected. Currently, there are approximately 40,000 legally hearing impaired people living in Malaysia. And in 2016, with a total population of 28.33 million, Malaysia has an average of 1.2% prevalence of blindness.
Hearing loss entails a loss of auditory information which may affect behavior in traffic and might reduce traffic safety. There are several situations in which hearing could play an important role in road safety. One example that it is generally assumed that pedestrians are able to hear road sounds including alarms, whistles, sirens, traffic and also traffic control systems. Clearly, an inability to hear this audio information could increase the risk for road safety incidents to occur.
Visually impaired people have to face many challenges in their life as they are unable to see things around them, either partially or completely. The biggest challenge for a visually impaired person is to navigate around places. Globally, at least 2.2 billion people have a near or distance vision impairment. One of the consequences of vision loss is being uncomfortable about safety while moving around or traveling independently. When walking on the streets, visually impaired pedestrians will have difficulty identifying obstacles in front of them, which is extremely dangerous.
Pedestrian safety is an important issue. Crossing the street is an everyday task. However, it is a complex, difficult, and dangerous task that can be affected by many variables, such as the viewing and the auditory environment of the street, number of pedestrians crossing the street, and the previous street crossing experiences of the pedestrian. In Malaysia alone, pedestrian fatalities are averaging approximately more than 500 deaths each year.
Therefore, we have come up with a helpful solution, which is a bracelet-like device called iSensory. This electronic helping system is designed to solve such issues that may be faced by hearing impaired and visually impaired pedestrians. The system we have designed consists of sensing the surrounding using an ultrasonic sensor, which then alerts the user when there are any obstacle or threats near him via vibration. Besides, this device also has a sound sensor that measures the intensity of noise, music, and other sounds around him. When extremely high volume is detected, an LED will light up and alert the user.
Our research is to alert visually and hearing impaired pedestrians from dangers in their surroundings and also to reduce accidents by the roadside involving visually and hearing impaired people.
Here is the 3D digital illustration of the iSensory. It consists of an ultrasonic sensor that detects obstacles and a sound sensor that detects sound and noise intensity. There are two LED lights at the right and left side of the sensors, which will light up when a certain noise limit is exceeded. Next, there is a vibrator located at the bottom of the strap that will vibrate when threats are identified, and a power button at the side to switch on when needed. Here are the measurements for iSensory. The case has a length of 50 mm, width of 25 mm, depth of 20 mm, whereas the strap has a length of 220 mm, width of 24 mm. The total weight is 30 grams. So, how does this device actually work? As you can see in this diagram, when the power button is switched on, the system will start functioning. The ultrasonic sensor will sense obstacles in the surrounding. We designed a device where it will vibrate faster when the obstacle is nearer to the user. Therefore, when it is in the range from 80 till 100 centimeters, the vibration rate is fast. If it is from 101 till 120 centimeters, the vibration rate is medium. And from 121 till 140, the vibration is lower. If the obstacle is further away than 140 centimeters, it will not vibrate. This obstacle detection system is mainly focused for the visually impaired since they cannot see what's around them.
Next, the sound sensor is used for detecting the surroundings noise level. When the noise level is below 60 decibel, the LED lights will not light up. Examples of noises below 60 decibel are whisper, light rain, and a quiet environment. If the sound decibel is from 60 to 79, the green LED will light up. Some examples are a normal conversation, background music, and the sound of a vacuum cleaner. However, when the noise level exceeds 80 decibel, the red LED lights will light up. Examples of them are heavy traffic, shouted conversation, and police car sirens. This is because sounds above 80 decibel are considered very loud and harmful for the ear. So, they will alert the hearing impaired user that the noise in their surroundings may be dangerous. For better visualization and understanding, here is a representation of our concept to show how it functions.
The approximate cost for this iSensory is 100 ringgit. From the aspect of market and commercial potential, our product is expected to be one of high in-demand products among the hearing and visually impaired people. This is due to the increasing percentage of blindness and deafness prevalence in Malaysia and around the world in the upcoming years. In addition, our product has a reasonable price for those who can afford the expensive one. Therefore, eye sensory will most likely last long in the market.
There are many benefits of our system, including ensuring user safety, especially in the public. Besides that, these eye sensory also help increase users' alertness, and lastly, the system also can reduce the number of accidents involving visually and hearing impaired people. Furthermore, this product is affordable and user-friendly because it is convenient and easy to bring anywhere.
In summary, this obstacle detection system detects moving objects near the user and notifies via vibrations. It also has a sound sensor that detects sound in the surrounding and alerts the user with an LED when a certain limit is exceeded. The prototype is user-friendly and cost-efficient. It is seen as an improvement in the field of device for the hearing and visually impaired, thanks to its durability, user-friendliness, and cost efficiency.